If you remember the scene from the film Mission Impossible 4 at Burj Khalifa, in which Benji asked Agent Ethan Hunt that they cannot hack Burj Khalifa's server room from outside. The only way to reach the server room is by climbing over the walls of Burj and placing some hardware that contains malware and inserting it into the server.
Please tell me we're online.
All right, we're live.
We are going to see how we can create that hardware. Hello, my name is Arslan Salim. I'm a security expert and application developer from past 7 years. I have developed and worked on security of many industrial softwares. In this course, I'm going to show you how we can use tiny $1 microcontroller to hack any PC on your local network as well as anywhere in the world using public IP. The microcontroller is called DigiSpark. DigiSpark is a 80 tiny based microcontroller. It's like Arduino but smaller in size and much more powerful in terms of hacking. At the end of this course, you will be able to program DigiSpark and you will be able to write your own hacking scripts in DigiSpark. Thank you.
If you want to learn more about this course, you can find the link in the description below.